Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 10 subject Social Science chapter number 18. The name of the chapter is Price Rise and the Consumer Awareness. It means ભાવ વધારો અને ગ્રાહક જાગૃતિ. Among the main economic and social problem of India. Dear children, we know very well that among the main economically as well as the social problem of the India, one is a price rise. One is price rise, is economically as well as the social problem. Continuous and constant rise in a price in the different field of economy at a high rate is called as a price hike. What is the meaning of the price hike, dear children? Price hike, it means continuous and constant rise in price of the different field of economy at a high rate. It is called as a price hike, which is a problem. But price rise along with stability is beneficial for the economy. Generally, increase in price result increase in the profit of organization. What happened there, dear children? Here one side increase in price rise, it means one sided increase in the profit of the organization and producer. Because of undecided profit, they get opportunity to set up a new production unit. Profit amount increase when the production cost is less. When the profit amount is increased, dear children, profit amount increase when the production cost is less than the price rise. So the producer get encouragement for the new investment. As a result, production activity, production and employment increase due to increase in income. Producer, organization and businessmen can increase the wages of their employees. What happened there? Due to increase in income, producer, organization, businessmen can increase the wages of their employees. Thus, due to increase in income, purchasing capacity has increased. So, money spent on the use of the commodity increase, resulting into the rise in the living standard and speed of economic development. So, it can be said that stable price rise is prerequisite for the economic development. What they have given the dear children, they have given that price rise at a stable level, then it is a one kind of the prerequisite. Prerequisite, it means purvasha for the economic development. When there is noticeable increase in the price level of commodity or services invariably and continuously at the high rate, then the production and the intention of the commodity and services do not increase income, but supply of money was increasing speedily. Thus, excessive amount of money is used on comparatively less the commodity. What happened there, dear children? Here, the excessive amount of money is used on the comparative of the less commodity. This kind of the price condition is called the inflationary situation. What is the inflationary situation? Inflationary situation, it means one kind of the condition to increase the price rise. High disturbance in the prices, expenditure, income and the calculation of the price of the production equipment and their allocation generate the serious disparity in economy by creating chaos in the money supply. In such condition, price rise is an act of the hindrance in the development of the economy. What happened there? That's why we can say that the price rise is one kind of the hindrance. Hindrance, it means problem, samasya in the development of economy. Price rise is not always inflationary. Dear children, be careful. Here, price rise is not always the inflationary. Inflationary means fugavu. Many times, in spite of decrease in inflation rates in economy, price rise of the basic commodity or service used by common people increases. Why? The price in other sectors show the stable or decreasing behavior. Now, dear children, they have to given about the results of the price rise. What they have given the dear children? They have to given about the results of the price rise. Mainly two factors are responsible for the price rise. What happened there? Mainly you have to see that main two factors are responsible for the price rise. One, due to lack of instantaneous increase in the production and the supply of commodity and services in economy. It means layer O instantaneous increase in the production as well as the supply of commodity and service. Second, due to the sharp increase in the total demand of the country as compared to the supply and the continuous price rise in sin. That's why following are the reasons are responsible for the increase in the price. Now first reason they have given that increase in monetary supply. What they have given that increase in monetary supply. Monetary supply means nana. It means first nana na પુરવઠામાં વધારો. That is increase in monetary supply. Supply of money economy increase in three. What happened that here children they have to given supply of money economy increase in three way. First, by filling the deficit replacement. By filling the deficit replacement, it means ખાદ પુરવણી. By generating the new money. Second, increase in circulation of money. What they have to say that increase the circulation of money. It means increase in transaction of money in market. Third, to decrease the rate of interest on the debt. What happened that third? To increase the debt on interest. When there is increase in money, income of people, purchasing power, effective demand of the commodity and services increase. Dear children, be careful. When there is increase in money, that's why the income of people, purchasing power, effective demand of commodity and services increase. But total supply does not increase according to itself. So price rise is there. In order to fulfill the plan and unplanned expenditure, which kind of the expenditure? Plan as well as unplanned expenditure. Government increase the supply of money by generating the new money through the deficit replacement policy. Increase in administrative expenses of government, unplanned expenditure, defense expenditure, increase in expenditure of different welfare scheme, fair expenditure on celebration, public or private expenditure lead a sudden increase into the price. And supply money in the market which increase the purchasing power, resulting increase in the price. Thus increase in purchasing power become the reasons of the price hike. Which is the reason of the price hike? That's why we can say that increase in purchasing power, it is also the reason of the price hike. No increase is there in the total production or the supply commodity and services in the market due to unplanned expenses of the government, but due to increase in salary or allowances, supply of money, increase in the hands of people, along with it resources of production start getting more value. So income increase leading to cumulative increase in the supply of money. As a result, purchasing power increase. It means we can say that when the increase in supply of money, automatically the purchasing power are increasing. Total demand increase and but total supply doesn't increase. What they have to say that they have to given that total demand is increasing but the total supply doesn't increase in accordance. This lead to the price rise. Now they have to given that the price rise is a result as well as the reason for increasing in the supply of money. Now which is the reason increasing in supply of money, dear children? Price rise is the result as well as the reason for increasing supply of money. The bank reduce the rate of interest on credit as well as the increase its reverse case which help it to give the loan. Now what happened there? Your bank reduce the rate of interest of the credit and that's why it help to give the loan and credit at the low rate of the interest and make the condition which result in increase the supply of money in the hands of the people, which create the pressure on demand of commodity and substantially cause the price rise. Now second one, they have given the reason is the population growth. Population growth, it means વસ્તી વધારો. It is known as a population growth. Population increases the rate of 1.9% in India. What they have given that population increases the rate of 1.9% in India. Total population of India was 121 crore according to the 2011. Because of speedy supply was created which lead the shortage of the supply leading to the price hike. What happened that here the demand of commodity is much more, but here the shortage of the supply, and that's why here there is a chances of increase of the price. Third one, increase in export of, it means નિકાસમાં વધારો. Because of increase in demand of the Indian goods in the foreign market. What happened then here? Increase in the demand of the Indian goods in the foreign market. The government has encouraged increase the export. As a result, with availability of commodity decrease at the local level. Why? Because the maximum goods are exported outside of the country. Here, the local level or internal market, there is a shortage or decrease in the commodity. So, scarcity is observed. Shortage of supply against the demand lead to the price rise. And that's why what happened that here there is a shortage of the supply against the demand lead to the price rise. Next, they have given that high price of the raw material, it means કાચા માલની ઊંચી કિંમત પ્રાપ્તિ. Shortage of raw material lead to increase in the production cost. What happened that here shortage of raw material lead to increase the production cost. So price of commodity is increasing. Why? Because raw material cost is high. That's why the price of commodity is also increasing. On the other side, consumer of produce goods are same worker of the common people. The demand for increasing the salary, and when it is satisfied, there is again increase in the production, the cost resulting into the price. So this kind of the various cycle of the prices keep going on. Next, fifth one, they have given the use of non-registered currency. What they have given the use of non-registered currency, it means the black money being નોંધાયેલ નાણાંનું ચલણ, that is also known as a black money. It means કાળું નાણું. In order to save the tax, what happened that dear children? In order to save the tax, many economical dealing are not mentioned according to the books. Many people hide their high income. What happened that dear children? Here the many people hide any chupan their high income or excess income. Thus, such an income is not mentioned in the accounting book and the tax is not paid on it. Now what happened that here such kind of the income is not mentioned in accounting book and tax is not paid on it. Such unregistered income is called as a black money. That's why what happened that here such kind of the unregistered income is called as a black money. Because of fear of being caught for paying the income tax or service tax, rather than storing the money, people try to use it as early as possible as purchase unwanted things. Thus, the black money has been supportive for the price rise. Sixth one, price rise by the government. Sixth one, which one? Price rise by the government. સરકાર દ્વારા ભાવ. The government increased the support prices of petroleum product, other commodity, agriculture crop by the way of administrative order, because of which supply of money increased due to steps taken by the government to fill the debt. As a result of which price rise is there. Thus the government only give birth to the price rise. Seventh one, they have given about the natural factor. It means કુદરતી પરિબળ. Production reduced due to the natural calamities like excessive rainfall, drought, earthquake, epidemics, etc. Human factor like war, riots, movement, strike, industrial unrest, lockout, etc. adverse effect seen in the supply. Decrease in supply when the quantity of money remains stable result increase the pressure on the demand of commodity, result in the price rise level. 8 and last one, smuggling, hoarding and the black marketing, like દાણ ચોરી, સંગ્રહખોરી and કાળા બજારી. Many times due to the high import duty rates as well as control on import or restriction on the export. What happened there? Here there is the high import duty rate as well as the control on import or restriction on export with the intention of duty evasion. Scarcely without paying the tax, foreign goods are dumped into a country. This is called as a smuggling. What happened?
Here foreign goods are dumped without paying tax. It is called as a smuggling. Due to speculation or rumors or prediction that price are going to rise in future, all the section of the society, businessmen, producer, consumer get involved in holding in more or less quantity. As a result of it, pressure on supply of that commodity is created, and one kind of the artificial scarcity arises. So increasing the price of commodity increase their profit margin. The producer take undue advantage of these people. This is called as a profiting. Thus, by evil activity like hoarding, black marketing, profiting, scarcity of commodity is created into the market, and this is the factor are responsible for the price rise up. Thank you, dear children.